Welcome to our Story of AI channel. In a bustling city lived a young woman named Maya, filled with a fervent desire to master the English language. Determined to achieve fluency, she embarked on a unique journey of learning through listening. Maya's day began with a routine. She tuned into English podcasts while preparing breakfast. The melodic tones of native speakers became her morning companions, introducing her to diverse accents and vocabulary. As she chopped vegetables and sipped her tea, she absorbed the rhythms of the language. During her commute to work, Maya plugged in her earphones and immersed herself in audiobooks. From thrilling adventures to heartfelt dramas, she discovered the world of literature while honing her listening skills. The characters' voices echoed in her mind, and gradually, she grasped subtleties in pronunciation and intonation. At lunch breaks, Maya joined language exchange meetups. Engaging in conversations with native speakers provided real-world context and improved her comprehension. She learned to discern colloquial expressions and respond with confidence. Evenings were dedicated to music. Maya hummed along to English songs, capturing the essence of emotions and expressions. Gradually, her vocabulary expanded, and she began understanding metaphors and idiomatic phrases effortlessly. One day, Maya encountered an elderly man named Mr. Thompson in the park. Engaging in a friendly chat, she discovered he was an English teacher. Intrigued, Maya shared her learning journey, and Mr. Thompson offered guidance. He introduced her to dictation exercises, where she transcribed passages from audio recordings. This practice heightened her attention to detail, refined her spelling, and strengthened her listening accuracy. Months passed, and Maya's dedication bore fruit. Conversations flowed naturally. Podcasts became easier to follow, and she even began watching movies without subtitles. Her journey of learning English through listening had transformed her into a confident communicator, and her experiences enriched her understanding of different cultures. Maya's story is a testament to the power of active listening. Through podcasts, audiobooks, conversations, and music, she unraveled the tapestry of language one thread at a time. Her journey inspired others to embark on similar paths, proving that the art of listening was a gateway to mastering English and embracing the world of opportunities it offered. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel.